Welcome in .Core. Harvard's Avi Loeb has sparked debate over 3IATLAS, the interstellar comet spotted in July 2025. While most see it as ice and dust, Loeb suggests its glowing front could hint at nuclear power, maybe even alien tech. Controversial or not, 3IATLAS gives us a rare chance to probe interstellar chemistry and rethink how science tackles cosmic mysteries. Keep watching this video to know more about this topic. The discovery of event 3IATLAS was identified earlier this year by the Asteroterrestrial Impact Loss Alert System ATLAS survey in Hawaii. Its speed and trajectory reveal that it was not bound to the Sun, confirming its interstellar origin. This makes it the third known object of its kind after Oumuamua in 2017 and Borisov in 2019. On July 21, 2025, Hubble imaged the comet while it was about 277 million miles from Earth. The data showed a striking feature, a glow at its leading edge. Unlike the typical tail trailing behind most comets, this brightness appeared ahead of the nucleus. For Loeb, this was an unusual signature. He argued that reflected sunlight or natural radioactive materials were unlikely to account for it. Instead, he speculated that it could be emission from a nuclear-powered source with dust being expelled from the surface after long travel through interstellar space. He also highlighted the object's path, which brings it unusually close to Mars, Venus, and Jupiter, a trajectory he described as statistically improbable. NASA and many astronomers disagree. Their interpretation is that 3 is behaving like a normal comet. Spectroscopic studies have confirmed the presence of water vapor, carbon dioxide, and cyanide, all typical products of cometary outgassing. From this perspective, the glow is entirely natural. Sunlight is warming volatile ices, producing jets that reflect light and create the observed brightness. Regardless of interpretation, the discovery is valuable. Interstellar objects carry information about the chemical environments in which they formed. Studying 3IATLAS gives scientists a chance to compare the composition of extrasolar comets with those in our own system, revealing whether the building blocks of planets and possibly life are widespread across the galaxy. Scientific importance and theories interstellar objects are rare, but their scientific value is immense. Each one offers direct evidence of the processes that shape other planetary systems. Until 2017, none had been observed. Now, with 3 discovered in less than a decade, astronomers are rethinking how common they might be. The mainstream view holds that 3IATLAS is a comet. Its emissions fit well with established models. Ice sublimating under solar radiation, producing both dust and gas. This explanation is consistent, requires no extraordinary assumptions, and matches what we know from observing thousands of comets within our own solar system. Loeb, however, argues that science should remain open to other possibilities. He notes that the glow's position at the front of the object is unusual, and that its trajectory intersecting the orbits of multiple planets is highly coincidental. For him, considering a technological explanation such as a probe powered by nuclear energy is a valid exercise, even if it is unlikely. This echoes a debate around Oumuamua, whose acceleration and shape sparked years of speculation. While most astronomers favor natural explanations, Loeb suggested it could have been artificial. His proposals were controversial, but they encouraged discussions about how science interprets unfamiliar data and how cautious or bold theories should be. Critics caution against overreaching. They argue that extraordinary claims should only be made when extraordinary evidence is available, and that speculation about alien technology risks undermining trust in scientific rigor. Others counter that considering multiple hypotheses, even improbable ones, keeps science dynamic and prevents premature closure of inquiry. The key isn't whether Loeb is right, but how science balances skepticism and curiosity. 3IATLAS challenges us to face the unknown with both caution and imagination. Implications and what's next 3IATLAS will remain within observational reach for some time, and multiple facilities are tracking it. Hubble, the James Webb Space Telescope, and ground-based observatories are gathering spectra to study its composition in detail. Early data already point to water and carbon-based molecules, but continued monitoring may refine those findings. Loeb has proposed using existing spacecraft for closer inspection. For example, NASA's Juno probe orbiting Jupiter or the Mars Reconnaissance Orbiter could in principle attempt to capture additional data. In reality, redirecting spacecraft is difficult due to fuel and mission constraints, but the suggestion highlights the interest in treating interstellar visitors as high-value scientific targets. Future surveys will likely expand our knowledge further. The Vera C. Rubin Observatory, set to begin operation soon, is expected to detect many more interstellar objects. If 3IATLAS is one of 3 in less than 10 years, the true population could be vast, and dedicated missions may one day intercept these travelers directly. The implications are significant. If most interstellar objects are comets, it means that icy bodies and by extension water and organic material are abundant throughout the galaxy. This supports the idea that the ingredients for habitability are not unique to our solar system. If even one turned out to be artificial, the consequences would be even more profound, marking the discovery of technology beyond Earth. For now, scientists emphasize that all available evidence is consistent with a natural comet. Yet, the speculation surrounding 3IATLAS underscores how unusual data can push science into new territory. Whether it is simply another icy wonder or something more, it demonstrates that the cosmos is far more active and varied than we once believed. Outro 3IATLAS, a rare visitor from another star, is likely a comet, but its strange glow keeps debate alive. Ordinary or extraordinary, it reminds us that the universe is full of surprises. Stay tuned. The next interstellar messenger could change everything. Thanks for watching Dark Core.